For last 10-15 years, we were trying to implement some of the new technologies, modern methods of teaching, online teaching, blended method of teaching. But perhaps during this COVID period, all teachers and students realized the importance of that. And we have implemented very successfully. During last 3-4 months, our teachers have been able to conduct classes online. Students have participated very spontaneously and they have cooperated very well to learn the lessons, complete their courses, appear for examinations online. These are something which has happened, for the first time. The COVID cannot defeat us. We can defeat COVID, provided we continue to live within all these challenges. As students, as parents, as teachers, all of us should resolve how to manage our life of teaching learning, particularly when COVID will also, the coronavirus will also continue to live with us. This is the time perhaps we can concentrate more on our academics, our studies, so that we will not stop our life. So in order to keep ourselves engaged, we must participate in any kind of activities like webinars, which are happening, in good numbers. In our university, during last 2-3 months, we have conducted about 20 webinars on the subjects which are very relevant, and that's how I expect our students to have boldness to really face this kind of challenge by cooperating with their teachers, by attending online classes. I know online classes cannot be the substitute to face-to-face interaction in the physical class. It will come back. Someday we will defeat COVID and we will come to normalcy. We will not stop. Our students have participated in 100% in the online examination, and we have been able to declare our MBA result in time so that they can join the company. Today we are at home, we are not going out, we are maintaining social distancing, and we are having an ample time. What to do? I know my students who are millennials, they are very tech savvy, they can enjoy online products. So far as our academic programs are concerned, we have already announced our academic calendar. They have to think, the moment they are online, they will always realize their teacher is in front of them. They should attend all the classes. Those classes are scheduled on different dates. If they miss the class, it's a loss to them. Therefore, I request both the parents and students to be very serious and take interest in that. If you lose interest, then you will be demotivated, you will lose a lot of losses that you will incur. That will not come back. If you have any difficulty, you can contact any of our teachers, you can contact me, you can contact anybody on campus if you need any special help. And we will definitely try to help the students so that they are not only attending classes, but they are also able to take their exams so that their education will not be meaningless. Pandemic situation will not stop us providing quality of education. We can provide quality education more than what we could have done in the physical class. Therefore, never think that quality of education will go down just because of COVID. It is a collective effort. If students will not participate, if students will not also encourage teachers, cooperate with the teachers, education cannot be qualitative. So quality of education depends on both the participation of teachers, interest of teachers and the students. Therefore, my sincere request to both the parents and the students to realize this fact. As soon as normalcy prevails, government allows us to run the campus and students can come and stay with us. Our hostels, our classrooms, our teachers, our libraries, all facilities are waiting for you. We have kept it intact. we are really eagerly waiting for all of you.